Rich and sweet mango puree is added to a creme caramel base, poured over the caramel layer and baked. Once chilled and ready, I like to pour more mango pulp over the caramel. Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. It's mango season and I'm going to take advantage of that by making this delicious mango flan or cheesecake. I made this before using coconut, but this time I'm going to twist it up using the delicious mango pulp. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. In a saucepan, I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar and follow this with a half cup of water. Once it melts down and thickens up, I'm going to pour it into the base of my cake pan and I'm going to swirl it to coat. I'm using a bundt pan, but you can use any other kind of dish that is oven proof. In my food processor, I'm going to add 350 ml of evaporated milk. I'm also going to add 300 ml of condensed milk. Next, I'm going to follow this with 150 ml of mango puree, and 150 ml of coconut milk. I'm also going to add some eggs. I'm going to crack in 5 extra large whole eggs. You can add 6 eggs if you like, if the eggs are smaller, or if you want a nice firm custard. I'm just going to pop the lid on now and I'm going to blend it. I'm going to take another oven-proof dish that's large enough to hold my caramel container and I'm going to fill this dish with boiling hot water. I'm going to insert the caramel custard pan in. The hot water creates a bain-marie and it's going to help to steam the custard. Pour the prepared custard over the caramel base and bake the dish in your preheated oven for 350 degrees. I'm going to cook this for an hour. After an hour, take a look. It's normal to be slightly jiggly after it's finished cooking, but if you feel that it's too jiggly, cook it further for another 15 minutes. Once the custard is cooked and out of the oven, it needs to be completely chilled in the refrigerator overnight. To unmold, I like to place the container back in hot water for about 30 seconds, just so the caramel loosens. I'm also going to run a knife around the edges. And then the moment of truth. 1, 2, 3, and flip. To intensify the mango flavor, I'm going to pour a half cup of mango puree right over the caramel before serving. This is ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this very delicious and very simple recipe for mango cheesecake or flan. It is really a keeper. If you like this video, leave me a comment, give the video a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And make sure that you're subscribed and you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating.